Hey guys, here's my next project. This is an old frame from a picnic table that I've acquired from the campground that was left in the graveyard. I think this is an 1.5 inch board that was on here, and it was bolted on as such. Took my chainsaw and just ripped it off. The bolts were seized up, so then I had to take my cutoff wheel here, and I ended up with a whole lot of rusty bolts. So, interesting part was when I was hitting this wood off, a couple of them had some writing on it. This one said 2/17/04. If that was the date that this was put together, it would have been 17 years old. So my next step would be to acquire a sandblaster from Harbor Freight for 20 bucks. Clean up this surface scale, and then I want to hit this with the acrylic enamel paint that was also on my drive shaft. This is a pretty heavy duty picnic table frame. I'm not a metal guy, so I can't look at that and tell you what it is. Ish. It's hard to balance all this. Maybe even a quarter. It's pretty stout metal, and each corner has 3 bars that are welded. Pretty sturdy. It has nice big feet, and you can see the underneath has stayed pretty well protected. So I think this will clean up pretty nicely, and I'll hit it with paint, and we'll see what we end up with. Well, hey, it's a start. Hey, there's my rebuilt table. Should last another 40-50 years, I think. It is pressure treated wood though, and galvanized bolts. I left this long here as a shooting rest, so I plan on shooting out that way. So there we go. That sucker's heavy. Thanks for watching.